Do you know your log rules, Wasteman? Let me remind you what they are. And follow me for more logs content in it. So, log of xy. When you multiply two numbers with the same base, you add the powers, in it. So you're going to do log x plus log y. When you divide two numbers with the same base, you subtract the powers. You have to make sure you do the top one minus the bottom one. Here, when you take a number that already has a power and you raise it to another power, you multiply the powers so the n comes down. N log x. Here, log of 1. Well, anything to the power of 0 is 1. Remember, log means log base 10, right? What does a log mean? It's saying 10 to the power of what is 1? Well, 10 to the power of 0 is 1. And you can actually change this to say, look, log of anything of 1 is always 0. Here, this is a really important one. We see this a lot in year 13 when we do our integration. Now, just to show you some intermediate steps, 1 over y you can rewrite as y to the power of minus 1. Then the minus 1 comes down. So, for example, we're going to see a lot of these. Log of a half. You don't need to do this intermediate step. You say log of a half is minus log 2, innit? Here, nth root means x to the power of 1 over n. The 1 over n comes down using our rules. You could say log x all over n. Now here, this is saying a to the power of what is a? 1. So for example, if you see log base 2 of 2 is saying 2 to the power of what is 2, the answer is 1. These are your log rules. Nice.